The curve plot has finished in the single pin mode. You can see clearly that we have two different groups of pins. Here's the main group of pins, and the second group is slightly different. If the mouse hovers on one of those pins, we can see it is System Channel 33C, and the pin name is Output Enable. And here is System Channel 1A, and its name is DIR, which means direction. So when we look at our device drawing, we see that these are special pins that differ in characteristics from the other pins. We can safely say that this plot resembles the actual device. Let's look at what we can do with this plot. If we want to highlight those special pins, we can double-click on the pin button and select some other color. I'll assign red to this DIR pin, and it pops out from the crowd. The other control pin is the Output Enable. So let's highlight that one as well. I'll assign the color blue to it. You can see how it also stands out now. We can also right-click in the pin display panel and deselect all, then select only these two special pins for display. By hovering the pointer over any plot point, we can display the exact values. Then right-click again and invert the selection, and we see all the other pins except those two special pins. These are all the A and B bidirectional buffers, so their characteristics are very consistent. Now we can save to a file. Let's open the file. Here we see all the settings for this plot. We see all the settings, all the pins, and now all the results from the curve plot. You see all the force values from -1 to +1 volt in 100 millivolt increments. For every single pin, we have actual values. And here is the unit. We can see the measurement resolution is 100 nanoamps. We can grab all the measured data and copy, create a new spreadsheet, and paste the measurements. Then we generate a plot that shows the force data and the plot for each pin. This shows a quick and easy way to work with this data in a matter of seconds, using your favorite tool, and create a plot that is consistent with your documentation tools. You could also just click the Save Image button and export to a PNG, a JPEG, or a bitmap file. We open this file and see that it is exactly what we have displayed. What was visible is there, and what was hidden is not. The important thing is that you can get whatever you need for your documentation, measured values or an image. Or you can invert the selection and save again to illustrate the differences between certain pins. That concludes this video.